My name is Srikant. I am going to explain about the scope and lifetime of a variable in Java. Here, the scope refers to the portion or section of a program where the variable can be accessed, and lifetime of a variable refers to the how long a particular variable will be stay alive in the memory. Here, let me see with the program. Here there is a class scope lifetime, and these are instance variables which are there are three types of variables: instance variable and static variable and local variable. Here the instance variable are nothing but the variables which are declared inside the class and above all the methods. These are called instance variables. Instance variable can be accessed throughout the program, except static methods. Here the static this is result is a static variable. The static variable are also class level variables which are also declared inside the class and outside all the methods. Here the static variables are declared with a keyword static. These are local variables. Here local variables are nothing but the variables which are declared inside a particular block. Here the scope of this variable instance variable is it can be accessed throughout the class and except static variables, and the lifetime of the static instance variables is until the object stay in the object of the class stay in the memory. Here the scope of the instance variables is that the variable can be accessed throughout the class except the static methods, and the lifetime of the instance variables is that until the object of the class stays in the memory, this variable instance variable is still alive. Here the scope of the static variable is it can be accessed throughout the class, and the lifetime of the static variable is until the end program completes, that is end of the program, we can the static variable is still alive, and the scope of the local variable is inside the particular block where the local variable is declared, and the lifetime of the local variable is as long as the control stays in the particular block, the variables declared in the particular block can be alive. Here let's see a program, simple program. These are the instance variables and this is a static variable result. This is a function add, and we are assigning a comma b local variables to the instance variable, and we are returning the sum of the a plus b. Here this is a main method. Here I am creating an object and I am passing the parameters 10 comma 20 to this method. It returns the sum, that is a plus b, to this result, that is static variable, that is result. I am printing the sum, that is result, that is a plus b, and we will get the output as sum is equal to a plus b. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. We will get output as 30. If you try to access a comma b values outside this particular block, we get an error, and we cannot access this local variables outside the block. And this is about the scope and lifetime of a variable in Java.